پرېږده چې داسې وشي. Do let that happen again. Do let that happen again. ته هغه موټر سره څه وکړل؟ What did you do with that car? What did you do with that car? داسې اورم چې هغه خپل کور خرڅ کړ. I hear that he sold his house. I hear that he sold his house. زه د هغې په اړه یقیني یم. I am certain about that. I am certain about that. داسې اورم چې هغه خپل موټر خرڅ کړ. I hear that he sold his car. I hear that he sold his car. ته هغه ښځه چیرته ولیده؟ Where did you see that woman? Where did you see that woman? زه پوهیږم چې تا خپله هڅه وکړه. I know that you did your best. I know that you did your best. ما داسې احساس وکړ چې زه باید له هغه سره مرسته وکړم. I accept that he will help us. I accept that he will help us. هغه تایید کړه چې هغه غلط و. هغه تایید کړه چې هغه غلط و. He admitted that he was wrong. He admitted that he was wrong. زه پوهیږم چې هغه په لاهور کې ده. زه پوهیږم چې هغه په لاهور کې ده. I know that he was in Lahore. I know that he was in Lahore. دا زما د خوښې موضوع نه ده. That is not my favorite topic. That is not my favorite topic. هر څوک په دا پوهیږي. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. دا به ډیره ښه وي. That would be fine. That would be fine. هغه غر ته وګوره. Look at that mountain. Look at that mountain. خوښ یم چې دا اورم. I am glad to hear that. I am glad to hear that. Thanks so much for watching the videos. I hope to learn more things from this video.